Hi everyone, Mark Cooper here from the SCA. So, we're 3 weeks into COVID-19 restrictions in Saskatchewan. I hope that you're managing through this as best as you can while making sure to take care of yourself. In today's video, I just want to tell you a couple of things that the SCA has been doing for you this week and some of what might be coming up next. So, first, we've been actively advocating for better financial support and investment from government to support your business. This week, that's included explaining the problems with the proposed 75% federal wage subsidy and proposing solutions so that it can apply to companies like yours. Federal money has to flow quickly, and we've been working with the feds on this. I'm optimistic, but hopefully we'll have more news next week. We've also been asking this week for a full provincial and municipal tax, fee, and license holiday, not just deferrals, but a full holiday for at least 6 months to provide some much needed cost relief for you and for your business. And as well this week, we've been asking the province to look at creating new standardized clauses to address COVID-19 related schedule delays and project cost overruns. Okay, second thing I want to talk about today is that we're communicating regarding on-site safety best practices that are tailored to construction during this COVID-19 era. So specifically this week, what we've done is we've partnered with WorkSafe, SCSA, Merit, and the Home Builders Associations to deliver virtual town halls on safety to all companies in the B-rate codes. These videos are available for viewing on YouTube if you haven't seen them yet, and I'd strongly encourage that you and your teams watch them. They really are pretty informative and answer a lot of the frequently asked questions that we've been hearing. We've also actively shared safety best practices across the industry to help members make appropriate on-site decisions. We're supporting the SCSA on the creation of a Made in Saskatchewan guide for COVID-19 safety protocols for the industry. We're also engaging in a lot of discussions with members, industry partners, the public, the media, and government about making sure that guidance is clear, enforcement is fair, and compliance is consistent across the entire industry. And lastly, we've launched a page on our website where member suppliers can list the on-site supplies that they have available to help support your safety. Okay, the third thing I want to talk about today is how we've worked this week to make the case that construction can operate safely, that Saskatchewan should build on, that owners should continue to invest, and that projects should be fast-tracked for design and construction. We're spreading this message across the province by sending a media release to all media sources, by issuing an editorial to all of the newspapers across the province, by sending letters to all municipalities, and by launching a portal today that can collect project status updates from contractors so we can have a rapid response approach to status changes. You can find information about that portal and about all of this information on our website at www.scaonline.ca. Finally, I want to close with a message on safety. Folks, I hope we all understand and know that what we're in is a public health emergency. Construction is an allowable activity today in Saskatchewan, but that could change. It changed in Ontario today in a big way. Ontario is closing many construction sites because they could no longer be assured of the safe operation of these sites. Construction sites in Saskatchewan remaining open is a privilege. That privilege comes with immense responsibility that each of you, your companies, and your workers and your sites all bear. Construction is allowable today in part because it is an extremely safety-conscious industry that has a remarkable track record of operating safely in high-risk environments. You've built that track record, and you have to find ways to sustain it. While we remain allowable, the public is watching. We are 100% in an environment where sites, employers, and employees have two options: comply or goodbye. If your employees will not fully comply with all public health directives and reasonable expectations with respect to social distancing, PPE, sanitization, health screening, and personal hygiene, you cannot keep them on site. Comply or goodbye. Similarly, if you're operating at a site that cannot reasonably abide by all public health directives and best practices for on-site safety, then you have to reconsider the viability of that site. Comply or goodbye. Decisions must be made in compliance with all public health directives. Our industry will continue to follow the directives of the Government of Saskatchewan and the Chief Medical Health Officer, and to date, the industry has the trust of these groups, and I know that through your hard work, we can keep it. All right. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take time away from all of this. You deserve it, and you need it. You can't be a great leader for your people if you don't first take care of yourself. Here at the SCA, we've got your back and are here for you with whatever you need. Keep reaching out and stay in touch. Remember, we're all in this together. Take care.